today you might have heard in your mobile devices or anywhere, anything, there was a flash flood, and I don't believe it. I don't know why. Well, I know why, but I'm I'm not sure when it's gonna happen. Said it was gonna be in 418. Right now, it's 6:14. It's supposed to start at 5:18. Look, clear. It's clear. It could. So right now, please stop. So right now, Lego Boy and Lego Girl is coming. Maybe you might have heard they did a giveaway, and I won. I was the first one who liked, subscribed, turned on notification, and shared. And yeah, guess I won, and he's gonna come and maybe give that, and yeah, we're gonna record. So yeah, that is all I wanted to say, guys. If you want to see more videos, you should click the like button, and if you want to support me, or if you just didn't and you are new, you should subscribe and turn on notification to know when I'm gonna record. So bye guys.